Yes, Maxwell. Impulse is right. No, don't add to my problems. I could have said it with some excitement.
Avocado.
Yes, it's avocado. Elia.
Ketchup liquid love.
That's right. That was the first clue. 5 points. Yeah, yes. Alphonsus. Yes. Welcome to the National Science and Math Quiz. Today we bring you the 18th preliminary contest featuring Kadjebi Asato Senior High School, Mpraeso Senior High School, and St. Martin's Senior High School. On my far left is Kadjebi Asato Senior High School, represented by
Mogbana Tane, Fana Ye.
Maebi Barnabas, Form 3.
Kadjebi Asato Senior High School is located in the Volta region. You are very welcome, gentlemen. Your message, please.
The Lord is our strength.
All right. Next is Mpraeso Senior High School, represented by
Albert Benyo, Form 3.
Ewa Elia, Form 3.
Mpraeso Senior High School is located in the eastern region. Very welcome, gentlemen. Your message.
God makes way where there seems to be no way.
Okay. Closest to me is St. Martin's Senior High School, represented by
Biden Kingsley, final year.
Odro Prince Barton, final year.
St. Martin's Senior High School is located in Nsawam in the eastern region. You are most welcome, gentlemen. Your message.
Do or do not, there is no try.
All right. Contestants, this contest comes to you in 4 rounds. In this first round, I'll ask you fundamental questions. Simple and direct questions requiring simple and direct answers. If you answer your question correctly, 3 points. If it's incorrectly answered, it becomes available for a bonus point. The 2 other schools will have to ring for this bonus point. Once a school rings, they have to answer. A correctly answered bonus question fetches 1 point. If it's wrongly answered, it fetches a penalty point. For questions requiring calculations, you have 30 seconds in which to present an answer. For those that do not require calculations, you have 10 seconds in which to do so. All questions are to be answered in 1 attempt only. All the best. Let's start with Kadjebi Asato. For the next set of questions, I'm not going to give any partial credit. Of course, bonus is possible, but no partial credit. You get it right or wrong. That's it. Okay? So, Kadjebi Asato, listen carefully. Rank the following in increasing order of thermal conductivity: glass, vacuum, lead. Yes, Nathaniel?
Vacuum, glass, lead.
That's right. St. Martin's. Rank the following in decreasing order of thermal conductivity: lead, copper, gold. Yes, Baini?
Copper, lead, and gold.
That's incorrect for bonus. Yes, Elia?
gold, lead, and copper.
That's incorrect. The right order is gold, copper, and lead. Your major question, Mpraeso, rank the following in decreasing order of thermal conductivity: expanded polystyrene, aluminium, glass. Yes, Elia.
Aluminium, polystyrene, and glass.
That's incorrect for a bonus. The right answer is aluminium, glass, and expanded polystyrene. For the next set of questions, there's only one question to all three schools. When I come to your school, you give me an answer, and then I go to the next school for a different answer to the same question. Naturally, I'm not going to transfer for bonus, right? Please listen to the question. Give one and only one of the methods for solving a quadratic equation. Kadjebi, Asato.
Grouping of terms.
No, I'm not accepting that. So, St. Martin's. Yes, Udro.
Completion of squares.
Completion of squares. Yes, Elia.
By factorization.
That's right. Kadjebi, Asato, the one you missed was use of the quadratic formula. Kadjebi, Asato, what name is given to a meal that contains all the essential nutrients in their right proportions? Yes, Mayebi.
A balanced diet.
It's a balanced diet. St. Martin's. Name the substance that breaks fat down into tiny droplets during digestion. Yes, Odro.
Bile.
Bile. Mpraeso. Name the end product of digestion of fats and oils. Yes, Elia.
Fatty acid and glycerol.
That's right. Kadjebi, Asato. In an oil refinery, there is a unit that converts straight chain alkanes into branched and cyclic ones. Why is this done? Yes, Mayebi.
This is done to improve the octane rating.
Yes. St. Martin's. In the oil refinery setup, vapors of large molecules are passed over catalysts during which the large molecules break down to give smaller ones. What is this process called? Yes, Baini.
Cracking. Catalytic
I'll
crack.
give you 1 out of 3. The right answer is catalytic cracking. Mpraeso. In times past, triethyl lead was added to the gasoline fraction before the gasoline was sold to motorists in Ghana. What is the essence of adding this additive? Yes, Albert.
To improve the octane rating.
Yes. Another set of questions where you get it or you don't. No partial credit, but bonus is possible. Kadjebi, Asato. Rank the following in increasing order of mass number: neutron, electron, photon.
Electron, photon, and neutron.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Elia.
Photon, electron, and neutron.
That's right. St. Martin's. Rank the following in increasing order of charge: positron, electron, alpha particle. Yes, Odro.
Electron, positron, and alpha particle.
That's right. Mpraeso. Rank the following in decreasing order of number of constituents: photon, alpha particle, deuteron. Elia,
Alpha particle, photon, and deuteron.
that's incorrect for a bonus. The right answer, alpha particle, deuteron, photon. The next set of questions are to be answered in 30 seconds. Kadjebi Asato, the sum of 3 consecutive integers is 81. Find the smallest integer. Mayebi,
24.
that's incorrect for bonus. Yes, Odro,
6.
26. Your major question, St. Martin's. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 96. Find the middle number. Odro.
32.
Yes. Mpraeso, the sum of 3 consecutive odd integers is 111. Find the largest number. Elia,
39.
that's right. Preamble to all schools. When I get to your school, I will give you a molecule, a type of molecule, okay? What I need you to do is to state the difference between photosynthesis and respiration with respect to the molecule I give you. Yours, Kadjebi Asato, is carbon dioxide. Yes, Mayebi.
During respiration, carbon dioxide is given out, but in photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is taken in.
Yes. With the same preamble, St. Martin's, oxygen. Odro,
During respiration, oxygen is used, but during photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is used. Oxygen is rather produced.
2 out of 3. I didn't ask you about carbon dioxide. With the same preamble in Mpraeso, water. Elia,
During photosynthesis, water is used up, but during respiration, water is given out.
yes. Kadjebi Asato, germanium forms a difluoride whose molecule has a net dipole. What is likely to be the shape of the molecule? Yes, Nathaniel.
It will be trigonal pyramidal.
No, I'm not accepting that. For a bonus, the shape is bent or it's V-shaped. St. Martin's, germanium difluoride is a bent molecule. What is likely to be the hybridization of the bonding orbitals of germanium? Yes, Odro?
SP.
That's incorrect for a bonus. The right answer is sp2. In Mpraeso, how many lone pairs would be on germanium in a molecule of GeF2? Yes, Elia?
2.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Yes, Odro?
A pair, 1 pair.
1. The next set of questions are to be answered in 30 seconds. Kadjebi Asato, what is the net resistance of a 40 ohm resistor in parallel with a 10 ohm resistor? Nathaniel?
2 ohms.
That's incorrect. Yes, Elia?
8 ohms.
8 ohms. St. Martin's, a 40 ohm resistor in parallel with a 10 ohm resistor carries a current of 2 amperes. What is the current in the 10 ohm resistor? Yes, Odro?
It will be 4 ohms, like 4 amperes.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Who rang? Yes, Mayebi.
1.6 ampere.
No. The right answer is 8 amps. Mpraeso, a 40 ohm resistor in parallel with a 10 ohm resistor carries a current of 2 amperes. What is the power dissipated in the 10 ohm resistor? Yes, Elia?
640 watt.
That's right. The next set of questions are to be answered in 30 seconds. Kadjebi Asato, find the integral of 2x minus 3 dx. Yes, Nathaniel?
X squared minus 3x plus c.
That's right. St. Martins, find the integral of x squared plus 4x dx. Bini?
1 over 3s cubed plus 2s squared plus c.
Yes. Mpraeso, find the integral of x cubed minus 3x squared dx. Elia?
1 over 4s to the power 4 minus s cubed.
2 out of 3. All right, for the next set of questions, when I get to your school, I will give you a technical term. Please explain it. Kadjebi Asato, habitat.
Habitat
Nathaniel?
it is the locality within an environment where an organism can live successfully.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Your term, St. Martins. Population. Yes, Bini?
Population is the number of organisms of the same species living in a particular community at a particular time.
Okay. Mpraeso, community. Yes, Albert.
Community is made up of a collection of populations of organisms which are interacting with each other and living successfully.
Okay. Last set of questions for the round. You have 30 seconds in which to provide your answer. Kadjebi, 5 liters of nitrogen at 27 degrees Celsius and 100 kilopascal is compressed until the pressure it exerts is 175 kilopascals. What is the new volume? Please give your answer to 2 places of decimal. Nathaniel?
Is it by volume? 0.05 deciliter cube.
That's incorrect for bonus. The right answer is 2.86 liters. St. Martins, 5 liters of oxygen at 27 degrees Celsius is heated to 77 degrees Celsius at constant pressure. What will be the new volume? Please give your answer to 2 places of decimal. Yes, Bini?
1.3 liters.
That's incorrect for bonus. The right answer is 5.83 liters. Last question, Mpraeso. 10 liters of helium gas at 220 kilopascal is passed into a balloon until the volume of the balloon reaches 14 liters. What is the pressure of the gas in the balloon if the temperature is kept constant? Please give your answer to one place of decimal. For bonus, the right answer is 157.1 kilopascal. That's the end of the first round. At the end of the first round, Kadjebi Asato Senior High School has 16 points. St. Martin Senior High School has 23 points. Mpraeso Senior High School has 24 points. Round 2. In this round, I will present all 3 schools with a single problem, the problem of the day. When I ask you to begin the problem of the day, you will have 3 minutes in which to present a single answer from your school. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. Please turn over your sheets and let's read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. Light of wavelength 550 nanometers is incident on a photocathode. The work function of the photocathode is 4.2 times 10 to the power negative 19 joules. The Planck constant is 6.6 times 10 to the power negative 34 joules second. And the speed of light is 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. A, determine the frequency of the light. B, determine the energy of each photon incident on the photocathode. And C, can the light eject electrons from the photocathode? Explain. Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may now begin. Stop writing and bring your answers. Contestants, please pick up your answers and present them on the boards. Exactly as you have them there. The contestants have presented their answers. Before we award the marks, let's look at the suggested solution from our consultants. This is a problem of the day in physics. We have light of a certain wavelength which is given, and it's incident on a photocathode. We have also been given the work function of the photocathode and Planck's constant together with the speed of light. The first part is for us to determine the frequency of the light. At this stage, we are interested in the incident light, not in the photocathode, right? So if we use our usual parameters, F for frequency, C for speed of light, lambda for wavelength, then F is equal to C over lambda. We have these values, so we substitute, and upon simplification, we should arrive at 5.4 times 10 to the 14 hertz. 3 points. The next part is to determine the energy of each photon that is incident on the photocathode. Once again, we are interested in the incident beam, not in the photocathode at the moment. So we want to determine energy. If energy is E, then E is equal to Planck's constant times the frequency we calculated previously. If you don't want to do it that way, you can do it H multiplied by C divided by lambda. Again, we substitute from the values given in the problem, and we should arrive at 3.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joules, 4 points. Next is to answer this question. Can the light eject electrons from the photocathode? And we are to explain. So you do a little bit of inspection. You look at the energy that you have just calculated and compare it to the work function of the photocathode. You will notice that the photon energy is lower than the work function. And so this means that no, it cannot eject any electrons. That's 3 points. If you sum, you get 10 points. That's the suggested solution from our consultants. Now the contestants. Let's start with St. Martin's. St. Martin's decided they are interested in the work function right away. So in order to calculate for the frequency, they use the work function and divide by Planck's constant. That's incorrect. No points. The second part, they are looking for the energy. This time they have the right formula. Energy is equal to Planck's constant times the frequency. So for the right formula, 2 points. But you know they had calculated for that frequency from before and decided to use it. Since that was wrong, nothing else they did there, which they didn't complete anyway, was right. And then they did not attempt the third part. That leaves them with 2 out of 10. Mpraeso started with work function again. They substituted, but unfortunately that is not the right approach to this problem. And so nothing there. The second part, they have the right formula. Energy is Planck's constant times speed of light divided by wavelength. That's the right formula. They substituted correctly the values, but they didn't come up with a final answer. For the right formula and the proper substitution, 3. Then they did not attempt the third part at all. So 3 out of 10. Kadjebi Asato. Right formula for the frequency, right substitution, actually went quite far in substituting and simplifying. They don't have the final answer the way, but it's okay, it's okay, it's all right. So 3 there out of 3. Then they have the right formula for calculating the energy as well. And they started the substitution but didn't get very far. For the right formula, 2 more points. That leaves them, and they didn't attempt the third part. That leaves them with 5 out of 10. That's the end of the problem of the day and the end of round 2. Round 3. In this round, I'm going to be presenting your schools with statements. When you receive your statement, please consider the statement carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case that statement becomes available to the 2 other schools who will compete by ringing for that statement. When a school rings for a statement like this, if they answer correctly, 2 full points. If the answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point. Best wishes. We'll start with you, St. Martin's, your statement. The compound H3PO3 is a diprotic or dibasic acid. This implies one hydrogen atom is not bonded to oxygen. Odro?
True.
Yes. Mpraeso, P4O6 may be regarded as the anhydride of H3PO3 acid. Does anyone want this? Right answer is true. Kadjebi Asato, P4O10 is the anhydride of an acid different from H3PO3. Yes, Nathaniel.
False.
No, Nathaniel, that's a true statement. St. Martin's. Digestion may be either extracellular or intracellular. Yes, Odro.
It's true.
Yes. Mpraeso, mechanical digestion of food involves the use of enzymes. Yes, Elia.
It's false.
It's false. Kadjebi Asato, most animals are holozoic in their nutrition. Yes, Mayebi.
It's true.
Yes. For the next set of statements, this is your preamble, all schools. P and Q are statements. That's the preamble. So now, St. Martin's. If P is true and Q false, then P implies Q is true. Yes, Odro?
It's false.
It's false. If P is false and Q true, then P implies Q is true. Yes, Elia?
It's true.
Yes. If P is false and Q is false, then P implies Q is true. Nathaniel?
True.
Yes. The gravitational force acting on an object moving upward is directed upward. Yes, Odro?
It's false.
It's false. Mpraeso, the gravitational potential energy relative to the ground of an object increases as its height above ground increases. Elia?
It's false.
No, Elia, that's a true statement. Kadjebi Asato, the gravitational force on an object below the surface of the earth acts towards the surface of the earth. Yes, Mayebi?
False.
False. St. Martin's, a saturated hydrocarbon with 12 carbons is called duodecane. Yes, Odro?
It's true.
Yes. Mpraeso. The benzyl group can also be called phenyl. Yes, Elia?
It's true.
No, Elia. That's a false statement. Kadjebi Asato. Hydrolysis of propyl methanoate by mineral acid will give propanol and methanoic acid. Yes, Nathaniel?
True.
Yes. St. Martins. Many fungi and bacteria are saprotrophs. Yes, Odro?
True.
Yes. Mpraeso. Animals that eat a mixed diet of vegetables and animals are omnivores. Yes, Elia?
It's true.
Yes. Kadjebi Asato. Commensalism is a type of symbiotic association. Yes, Maebi?
It's true.
Yes. St. Martins. Sign of negative A is equal to negative sign of A. Yes, Odro?
It's true.
Yes. Mpraeso. Cosine of negative A is equal to negative cosine of A. Yes, Elia?
It's false.
It's false. Tangent of negative A is equal to negative tangent of A. Yes, Nathaniel?
True.
Yes. Last set of statements for the round. St. Martins. Photons of any frequency can eject electrons from the surface of a metal. Yes, Odro? It's false. Mpraeso. The minimum photon energy required for ejection of an electron from the surface of a metal is the work function of the metal. Yes, Leah?
It's true.
Yes. Kadjebi Asato. Photoelectric current is directly proportional to photon energy. Yes, Nathaniel?
False.
False. That's the end of the third round. At the end of the third round, Kadjebi Asato Senior High School has 34 points. Mpraeso Senior High School has 35 points. St. Martins Senior High School has 41 points. Final round. In this round, I'm asking you to solve riddles. I'll be reading the clues. When you are ready to solve the riddle, you alert me by ringing your bell. May I hear your bell, Kadjebi Asato Senior High School? Thank you. Yours, Mpraeso Senior High School. Thank you. And yours, St. Martin Senior High School. Thank you. When you ring, it means you are ready with your answer. I will not wait for you. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. If you solve the riddle on the second clue, 4 points. If you solve it on the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. There are 4 riddles in all. Let's start. I am a law that is applied in electrical circuits. I am named after a German physicist. Who rang? Yes, Odro.
Chaos law.
I can't accept it. Who rang? Who else rang? Yes, go ahead.
The Ohm's law.
Mpraeso for you. Reading. I am named after a German physicist. I describe voltages in a circuit. I can be stated as the sum of potential differences around the closed loop is 0 So who am I? Lydia.
Voltage law.
That's right. I read all the clues, 3 points. Next riddle. I am an operation on a non-empty set. I involve 2 objects at a time. Examples of me are union and intersection of sets. I may be commutative or even associative. I may have an identity in the set of operations. So who am I? Yes, go ahead, Mayebi.
Binary operation.
Binary operation. I read all the clues, 3 points. Next riddle. I am a member of a group of cells that perform the same function. The sieve tube element and I originate from the same procambial cell. I am completely absent in the animal kingdom. In fact, I am a member of the phloem tissue. My role is to supply energy for the transport. Who ran? Yes,
Companion cell.
companion cell. I was reading the 5th 2 points. Last riddle. I have worked well for chemists, although I am only a perception or an idea on paper. I believe in hybrid vigor. I can account for the shapes of many people. Who rang? Who? Yes, Odo.
Hybridization.
That's right. I was reading the 3rd clue, 3 points. That's the end of the first round. At the end of the contest, here are the final scores. Kadjebi Asato Senior High School has 7 points. Mpraeso Senior High School has 78 points. St. Martin's Senior High School has 47 points. Kadjebi Asato Senior High School, thank you for being here, for giving us a good contest. Best wishes. Mpraeso Senior High School, thank you for being here as well, and thank you for a good contest. Best wishes to you also. St. Martin's Senior High School, congratulations for winning the contest. It was an exciting one. I wish you well as you prepare for the next stage of competition. I look forward to seeing you then. Viewers, thank you for joining us for this exciting contest. Next time, we'll bring you the 19th preliminary contest featuring New Yabe Senior High School, Brekum Presby Senior High School, and Fomena Tia High School. Thanks for being here this time and see you next time. Bye.